Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk has ended his indefinite hunger strike after 26 days, following assurances from the centre on the student protest over the NEET paper leak. Union Ministers JP Nadda and Jitendra Singh visited Wangchuk at the hospital and helped him break his fast. His first words after taking a sip of soup were that hunger tastes better. Nadda said the government had assured that no cases would be registered against those who protested peacefully at Jantar Mantar or participated in the July 20th march to Parliament. He also said the centre had already agreed to hold discussions in Parliament on paper leaks and examination reforms and was positively considering compensation for families of students who allegedly died by suicide following the NEET paper leak. In a post on X, Wangchuk said he ended his fast after long negotiations and to prevent possible violence in the country. He said 65 members of parliament from different political parties had either visited him or appealed to him to end his fast. He added that he would soon explain the conditions under which he ended the protest and urged people to remain peaceful. Reacting to the development, Cockroach Janata Party founder Abhijit Dipke said the organization was relieved that Wangchuk had ended his 26-day fast. He said Wangchuk's sacrifice had awakened the conscience of the nation and thanked him for his courage. However, Dipke made it clear that the CJP's protest at Jantar Mantar would continue until Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan resigns. The CJP-led agitation began on June 20th, demanding accountability over alleged examination irregularities, education reforms, and the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Wangchuk joined the protest on June 28th and had said he would end his fast only if peaceful protesters were protected from punitive action. Prime Minister Narendra Modi later wished Wangchuk good health and urged him to follow doctors' advice and recover soon.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज 26वें दिन मैं आप लोगों को कुछ ख़ास खबर बताना चाहूँगा। अभी रात के लगभग 12:30 बज रहे हैं। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले केंद्रीय मंत्री जेपी नड्डा साहब और जितेंद्र सिंह साहब यहाँ आए थे और लद्दाख के एपेक्स बॉडी के शीर्ष नेतागण भी यहाँ आए थे। और उससे पहले आप लोगों को मालूम है विभिन्न राजनीतिक दलों के लगभग 65 सांसदों ने आकर और हस्ताक्षर देकर हमसे अनशन तोड़ने के लिए कहा और वो संसद में इस मुद्दे पर नीट पेपर्स और परीक्षाओं की प्रणाली पर चर्चा करेंगे, ये आश्वासन दिया। और जो सरकार से इस तरफ से मंत्रीगण आए थे उन्होंने भी ये आश्वासन दिया, जिसका कि 2 दिन से हम बहुत ही कड़ा क्या कहेंगे, एक तरह का बार्गेन चल रहा था कि मुझे आश्वासन चाहिए और लिखित में चाहिए, और इसमें 2 दिन लगे और मुझे इसलिए अनशन पर 2 दिन और बैठना पड़ा और ज़्यादा भी बैठ जाता तो आखिर में आज उन्होंने लिखकर आश्वासन दिया है।
Statement from the government side, government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the Parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the Parliament. Besides, the government is also positively considering suitable compensations for the suicide victims of recent NEET paper leaks. ये हमारे साइड से
Thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh and the KDA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and I'm grateful to them. Thank you.
There will be visible one by one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. after 26 days. This tastes very good, but hunger doesn't taste bad either.